I'm going to use these ingredients for the chili. Brown ground beef for the chili. Salt for the chili. Homemade seasoning for the chili. 2 onions. 2 diced tomatoes because I didn't have enough canned tomatoes. Ground beef. Add the tomatoes and onions. Check that out. Add 2 tablespoons of homemade seasoning per pound of vegetable and meat. I did 6 tablespoons for this batch. I will link the season recipe on my website or down below this video. I added 1 tablespoon of salt. Add 4 cans, beans your choice. Make sure to drain them before you add them. I chose 2 dark red kidney beans. Gotta tap them sometimes to get the extras out. And 1 can of pinto beans. And 1 can of red beans. 1 can of diced tomatoes to add to the other tomatoes that I added. And please remember to recycle all your cans. 1 can of tomato sauce. Another can of tomato sauce. And you can add about 2 tablespoons of flour if you would like to thicken it up, if not more. But I don't want to dull the flavor. And mix it up. Mix it well. What you didn't see is I added about a cup of water just because it seemed like it was too thick. And now I'm going to set the timer for high for 4 hours because dinner is going to happen soon. I'm going to add the lid and step away. I'll be making cornbread later along with celery sticks to add to my chili and things you can add to your chili like cheese and Fritos and stuff to make it extra yummy. I hope you enjoyed this. Happy savings. Bye!